Welcome to our channel. If you want to upload videos to YouTube in 2026, follow these step-by-step instructions to share your content with viewers around the world. Step 1. Log into YouTube by going to youtube.com and signing in with your Google account. If you do not have a channel yet, you will be prompted to create one. Step 2. Click the Create button, which looks like a camera icon with a plus sign, located in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. Step 3. Select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the upload page where you can select your video file. Step 4. Click Select Files and choose the video you want to upload from your computer. Supported formats include MP4, MOV, AVI, and many others. Step 5. While the video uploads, fill in the required details, including title, description, and thumbnail. Create an engaging title and detailed description to help viewers find your video. Step 6. Select whether your video is made for kids or not. This is required by YouTube and affects how your video can be monetized and recommended. Step 7. Choose your video's visibility settings. Public, everyone can see. Unlisted, only people with the link can view. Or private, only you and people you choose can watch. Step 8. Add tags, select a category, and set other advanced options like comments, age restrictions, and monetization if eligible. Click Publish when ready to make your video live on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.